guys, how's it going? This is Who's the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for IndoRecipe.com, and for today's recipe it is savory pancake, ground beef pancake, using the leftover ground beef for the ground beef muffins the other day. Check out the full video and I'll see you again. Bye! So this is 1.5 cup of flour, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, a pinch of salt, a pinch of garlic powder, a pinch of sweet paprika powder that we're just gonna mix. Then add in 1/4 cup of milk, 1 egg, 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter, and the ground beef that we made. This is until completely combined. Now we're just gonna use our preheated maker, drop by 1/2 to 3/4 cup. Ready to be served and enjoy!